My name is Anupam Ghosh. I lead the partnership and alliances for the company Boltzmann Labs. Boltzmann Labs is creating a software for drug discovery. We are in the tech bio space where we are utilizing latest trends in artificial intelligence, generative AI and agentic AI to accelerate life science research. It has been a wonderful association with the Nasscom GenAI Foundry team. Particularly, they have facilitated some cloud credits, they have facilitated some connections with large corporates, so that has been very beneficial. In addition to that, I believe these outstation sessions, the mentors, the insights from them have been very useful, and overall we have definitely benefited from this association. In addition to that, we have built, we now have some friends within this cohort, so that's an additional benefit. So overall, it has been a wonderful association. Organizations like Nasscom GenAI basically works as a facilitator between government, policy making, and they hear from the startups what is their challenges. So they are playing a very critical role at this point of time. And as a GenAI startup, we give feedback to Nasscom team and we hear from them what's in the mind of the policymakers. So in all, I think this is a very important association. Particularly, I would say, given that generative AI, foundation models, ChatGPT, and recent news from DeepSeek from China, this is a very interesting stage where things are a little unclear how it pans out in the future. So a collaborative, a consortium where all the startups working in the same domain can come together and talk to each other is something which is very helpful. Down the line, next 12 months, we are banking on how agentic AI can help in life science research. That is one area that we are very bullish about. We are deploying agentic AI in our individual apps within the platform March 2025. That is one area that we are thinking which is going to be very promising. Agentic AI is slightly different than Gen AI, and we are one of the few players who are leveraging that in the life science research.